make money online. Hi everyone, welcome back to Next Dollar. Today we're diving into a topic that can change your life: how to make money online. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or someone looking for extra income, this video is for you. I'll share 20 proven ways to earn money online, plus real tips to get started today. So grab your notebook and don't forget to like, subscribe, share if you find this helpful. Section 1. Freelancing Basics. Freelancing is one of the best ways to start. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients worldwide. Offer skills like writing, graphic design, video editing, or even virtual assistants. Section 2. Selling Digital Products. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, printables, or online courses. Use platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Etsy Digital. Section 3. Online Tutoring. If you're good at math, science, or languages, teach online. Websites like VIPKid, Preply, or Cambly let you earn by helping students worldwide. Section 4. Affiliate Marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission. Use Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. You don't need your own product, just share your link. Section 5. Dropshipping. Start an online store without inventory. Use Shopify with suppliers like Oberlo or AliExpress. Customers order, suppliers ship. Directly you earn the profit margin. Section 6. Print on demand. Design t-shirts, mugs, or hoodies. Use Printful or Redbubble. When someone buys, they handle printing and shipping for you. Section 7. Content creation. Start a YouTube channel, podcast, or blog. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, or your own products. Section 8. Social media management. Businesses need help managing Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. If you love social media, offer your services to local businesses. Section 9. Virtual assistant jobs. Help businesses with tasks like email management, research, or scheduling. Sites like Belay, Fancy Hands, or Upwork are great to find VA jobs. Section 10. Sell photos online. If you're a photographer, sell your photos on Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. Section 11. Voiceover work. Have a good voice. Record audiobooks, ads, or videos. Check sites like voices.com or ACX. Section 12. Remote customer service. Big companies hire remote agents. Search for remote customer support roles on Indeed or remote.co. Section 13. Test websites, apps. Sites like User Testing pay you to test websites and share feedback. It's simple: test, record your screen, and get paid. Section 14. Data entry. An easy way to make money online: input data for companies. Search for data, entry jobs on FlexJobs or Upwork. Section 15. Online surveys. Not huge money, but easy. Sites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Inbox Dollars pay for your opinion. Section 16. Write self-publish ebooks. Love writing? Publish ebooks on Amazon Kindle, Direct Publishing, KDP. You earn royalties every time someone buys. Section 17. Sell handmade goods. If you craft jewelry, art, or candles, sell them on Etsy or your own website. Section 18. Translation jobs. If you speak multiple languages, offer translation services on Prose or Gengo. Section 19. Become a remote consultant. Are you an expert in marketing, HR, or business? Offer consulting calls online via Zoom. Section 20. Build passive income streams. 2030, 23 o'clock. Combine multiple ideas to build passive income. For example, start a YouTube channel, affiliate marketing, sell a course. Work once, earn for years. Section 21. Create a membership site. Offer exclusive content for members. Use Patreon or your own site. People pay monthly for special tutorials, templates, or coaching. Section 22. Start a blog, monetize with ads. Write about topics you love: travel, tech, food. Monetize with Google AdSense and sponsored posts. Section 23. Sell stock videos. Shoot and upload videos to sites like Pond5 or Storyblocks. Videographers can earn passive income for years. Section 24. App development. Create a simple app and earn through ads or in-app purchases. No coding? Hire a freelancer to build it. Section 25. Write articles for websites. Many sites pay guest writers, check Medium Partner Program, or niche blogs. Section 26. Review products online. Brands send you free products. Pay for honest reviews on YouTube or blogs. Section 27. YouTube Shorts monetization. Create short, viral videos. YouTube Shorts fund or brand deals can pay well. Section 28. Become a podcast host. Talk about topics you love, grow listeners, then monetize with ad sponsors. Section 29. Flip items online. Buy low, sell high. Flip thrift store finds on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Section 30. Sell customized merchandise. Offer custom mugs, t-shirts or phone cases using Teespring or Spreadshirt. Section 31. Microtasking. Earn by doing small tasks like tagging images or verifying data. Use Amazon Mechanical Turk. Section 32. Mystery shopping online. Get paid to shop and give feedback for online stores. Section 33. Online focus groups. Join sites like Respondent or User Interviews. Share opinions for cash. Section 34. Social media influencer. Grow your Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn. Earn with sponsored posts. Section 35. Sell domain names. Buy unique website names cheap. Sell them for profit on Flippa or Sedo. Section 36. Build-sell websites. Create niche websites, grow traffic, then sell them on Empire Flippers. Section 37. Become an online coach. Fitness, mindset, business. Help people reach goals through one coaching calls. Section 38. Build an email list. Promote offers. Collect emails, share value, and promote affiliate products or your own. Section 39. Host paid webinars. Teach a skill live on Zoom. Charge people to join your masterclass. Section 40. Rent out your skills by the hour. Offer short gigs like LinkedIn. Profile writing, CV making on Fiverr or Upwork. Closing tips for these extra sections. Pick one. 3 ideas to start. Don't overwhelm yourself. Test what works for you and your audience. Scale step by step, add more streams later. Stay consistent and keep learning.